Hey guys, bank statement loans for your self-employed people. Your average self-employed person makes twice as much as a W-2 wage earner. So if you want to find a way to get more people into houses, bank statement loans are going to get you there. Talk to my good friends at Oaktree. All you have to do is give these guys a call. Click this banner right over there. So not one loan is going to make your career, but one loan could ruin your career. Now, that's what Mike Soldati, my old mentor, told me when I got into writing loans. And man, was he right, and I just saw this whole thing on display down in Florida. Now, get this. A Florida-based loan officer faces more than 30 years in the clink if convicted on charges allegedly she falsified divorce papers and child support payment information to help unqualified borrowers secure a loan. Now, this is according to the Department of Justice. Now, that's on top of the fact that she might have to pay $130,000 in restitution on that $130,000 loan.
Whoa, bummer, dude.
Now, you want to know what the thing is here, guys? I'll bet you anything she was doing this loan, this one loan where she might face 30 years in prison for, to make both parties happy. Presumably the guy who wanted to get his past child support behind him, and the mom who just wanted to get what was due to her. Now, it just goes to show you, and I mean this seriously, you have to be extra judicious when you're writing a loan for a divorcing couple. Because if something goes sideways, and it generally does, guess what? They're both gonna blame you. So, did you know that the VA is looking at moving to waiving all appraisals or turning all appraisals into desktops? This is a piece of legislation introduced in the Senate in mid-May, and it could streamline the appraisal process for VA loans. The legislation would modernize the Department of Veteran Affairs appraisal requirements by allowing desktop appraisals and, in some circumstances, waiving appraisals altogether. Currently, all VA appraisals must be performed in-house. If passed, the legislation introduced by Senator Dan Sullivan of Alaska and Congressman Mike Bost of Illinois would address a long-standing gripe that VA appraisal requirements are both lengthy and costly, and in some people's opinions, like mine, may be required. Isn't the thinking that the higher the LTV on a loan, the more necessary, not less necessary, an appraisal is? How is this protecting veterans and the investment that they're about to make? By simply making their loans more risky at a time when at least some in the industry are expecting unforeseen changes. Now, here's my thinking. The VA's making this move because we simply no longer have enough qualified VA appraisers. And the number that we do have is dwindling right before our eyes. Now, this is a fabricated problem because being a VA appraiser is a really good paying job. We've just made it too much of a pain in the butt and nobody wants to do it anymore. So when we don't have appraisers, what do? You got it. Desktop appraisals for all your 100% plus financing loans. Now, what are your thoughts on this? Let me know down below. Oh, and one last point on VA dropping their appraisal mandates right now at a time when the market is softening and more sellers are dropping their prices. The housing market is displaying more signals that the pandemic-driven housing frenzy is coming to an end, as nearly 1 in 5 sellers dropped their price during the 4-week period ending May 22nd. That's the highest level since October 2019, and this is according to a report from Redfin. So we just need to pack that up and really consider some of the decisions that we're making. Again, let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you.